What happens when machines can reason, create, and collaborate at human speed? Then keep going, when decisions in hospitals, classrooms, factories, and governments are accelerated by systems that never sleep. The future of AI isn't a distant sci-fi promise. It's here, evolving fast. So what's next for humanity as intelligence becomes a feature of everything? Everyday intelligence everywhere. In the next few years, AI will shift from a standout tool to background infrastructure, quietly embedded in phones, vehicles, workplaces, and public services. Conversations with computers will feel natural. Interfaces will be voice, vision, gesture, and intent. Recommendation engines will give way to true co-pilots that draft, plan, and troubleshoot in real time. This ambient AI won't just answer questions. It will anticipate needs across logistics, customer service, urban mobility, and energy management. Human plus AI teams, not just automation. The most significant workplace change won't be wholesale replacement, but reconfiguration. AI will take on the grind. Summaries, first drafts, data cleanup, routine diagnostics, while people focus on judgment, creativity, and relationships. Roles evolve. Analysts become decision designers. Teachers become learning architects. Clinicians become care orchestrators. New jobs emerge around model oversight, data stewardship, prompt and workflow engineering, AI risk and compliance, and human-centered design. Industries about to accelerate. Healthcare. Multimodal models will read images, notes, and vitals together, flagging risks earlier and personalizing treatment plans. Virtual care will scale through AI triage and monitoring. Science and R&D, generative design and simulation will shrink cycles from years to months, designing materials, catalysts, and drugs with targeted properties. Manufacturing and supply chains, vision models will catch defects in milliseconds, predictive maintenance will reduce downtime, autonomous planning will rebalance supply after shocks. Finance and legal, AI will draft contracts, analyze risk, detect fraud patterns, and explain decisions with audit trails. Education, tutors that adapt to each learner's pace and gaps will become commonplace, while teachers use analytics to focus attention where it matters most. Creative work, co-creation becomes the norm. Storyboards, music stems, design concepts, and marketing assets generated in seconds, then refined by humans. What's under the hood? The tech trajectory, multimodal and agents. Systems will fluidly handle text, images, audio, code, and sensor data, then act, querying tools, browsing, scheduling, or operating robots. Edge AI, intelligence moves onto devices for lower latency, privacy, and cost. Think on-premise copilots, in-car assistants, and factory floor inference. Smarter training. Smaller, more efficient models fine-tuned on domain data will rival or beat larger general models for specific tasks. Retrieval, tool use, and structured reasoning will reduce hallucinations. Safety and reliability. Red teaming, model monitoring, and sandbox tool access will become standard. Expect clearer uncertainty estimates and why explanations for high-stakes outputs. Compute and energy. New chips, sparsity, quantization, and better cooling will push performance while curbing power draw. Expect more attention on AI's carbon footprint and on using AI to optimize grids, buildings, and data centers. Guardrails, ethics, policy, and trust. As AI scales, so do the stakes. Key flashpoints, privacy and data rights, stronger consent and data minimization practices, on-device processing where possible, bias and fairness, systematic testing across demographics, with transparent metrics and recourse when outcomes go wrong. Accountability, clear lines of responsibility between model builders, deployers, and users, plus incident reporting and third-party audits. Watermarks and origin. Content provenance and watermarking help trace synthetic media and protect creators. Safety and critical uses. Human in the loop or human on the loop for healthcare, justice, finance, and public decisions. Fallback procedures when systems fail. Jobs, skills, and inclusion. AI will reshape work. The winners will be organizations that pair technology with training and workers who treat AI as a partner. High leverage skills, problem framing, data literacy, prompt and workflow design, oversight, and domain expertise. Equally crucial, ensuring access, broadband, devices, and local language models, so AI's benefits don't cluster only in wealthy regions and large firms. AI will amplify whoever we are, our values, institutions, and intentions. It can widen gaps or close them, automate drudgery or erode agency, accelerate discovery or magnify risk. The difference is in how we design, govern, and adopt it today. If this look ahead clarified what's coming, tap like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more deep dives into technology that's reshaping our world. What's the one choice about AI's future you think matters most? Safety, access, or acceleration? Tell us in the comments.